Hi, I'm Dave with ITW Pro Brands, makers of LPS. And I'm here to talk to you today about LPS 3, Premier Rust Inhibitor. Some of industry's most expensive assets are manufactured from metal. So it's important to protect metal parts, especially when they're stored outside or exposed to high humidity during indoor storage. If parts are left unprotected in these conditions, corrosion occurs, triggering huge costs and significant labor time lost in refinishing metal surfaces, or even worse, replacing the equipment completely. LPS 3 Premier Rust Inhibitor is your most reliable resource for protecting and lubricating metals, even in the harshest conditions. Why use LPS 3 over the competition? Here are 3 key product features that set LPS 3 apart from competitive brands. LPS 3's waxy film provides a tough barrier to corrosion-causing agents like water, salt spray, and acidic fumes, and also maintains the appearance and extends the life of parts and equipment in severe environments. Unlike hard film coatings that become brittle, crack, and flake off, leaving the surface unprotected, LPS 3 coatings remain soft for more reliable protection. And, unlike many rust preventatives, LPS 3 doesn't require heating prior to applying and is applied by brushing, spraying, or dipping. Let's put LPS 3 to an on-camera test over an extended period of time. We took a piece of metal and sprayed half of it with LPS 3 corrosion inhibitor and left the other half unprotected and allowed the LPS 3 treated side to cure overnight. Once cured, we hung the panel outside and set up the time-lapse camera. Three months later, we removed the same panel, and on close examination, you see the unprotected side shows the damage of being left outside and untreated, while the treated side's LPS 3 coating is easily removed with LPS Pre-Solve, revealing an undamaged left half of the panel. LPS 3's dependable, high-quality reputation is reinforced by its usage among aircraft manufacturers, airlines, military installations, and major industrial sites. LPS 3 is safe to use around rubber, plastic, and painted surfaces, so it doesn't require delicate surfaces to be protected during application, saving you time and labor. Protect your metal parts and most expensive assets with the performance leader. Place your order for LPS 3 today.